The decreasing availability of suitable agricultural land in Malaysia has led to expansions of oil palm plantations into marginal lands such as steepland. Soil erosion then becomes a concern, with the loss of fertilizers and poor soil water storage subsequently resulting in nutrient deficiency, pollution of fresh and groundwater, as well as other environmental problems. Soil erosion under oil palm is very much associated with slope gradient, with erosion rate increasing with greater steepness. Soils at the harvesting path are compact due to frequent use by harvester and fresh fruit bunch evacuation machineries. There have been reported that in Malaysia, surface runoff is highest during the wet season. The amount of nutrients lost in runoff water is directly dependent on the magnitude and intensity of rainfall following fertilizer application. Soil erosion in young oil palm planted area is usually negligible because of the cover crop protecting the soil, and this is not attributed to the palms themselves. The first one is soil and water conservation practices. The purpose of soil and water conservation is to prevent soil degradation and environmental pollution. Second is use of terracing practices. Terracing are constructed with the purpose of reducing the runoff and soil erosions across the slopes. Third is silt pit practices. Silt pits should be dug in addition to the terrace to reduce the path of water flow. Fourth is by using mulching. EFB, or known as empty fruit bunch, is used because it has high nutrients content and ability to conserve the water. And the last practices is by using a leguminous cover crops. LCC have long been used in the tropics to protect the soil from erosions, especially on steep land, as well as to enrich its organic content.